In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Xero for accountants. First, sign into Xero and make sure you're in the correct organization. From the main dashboard, you'll see shortcuts to key areas, but we'll work through the core workflow together so you can move quickly and stay accurate. Start by heading to the sales area. This is where you manage money coming in. Open the Invoices section to review drafts, awaiting approval, and overdue items at a glance. When you're ready to raise revenue, choose New Invoice. Add the client, invoice date, due date, and a clear reference so it ties back to your engagement or job number. Enter line items with the correct account codes, tax rates, and tracking categories if you use them for departments, locations, or projects. Add concise descriptions and attach any supporting backup. Save as a draft while you're reviewing, then approve when you're ready to send. You can email directly from Xero or download a PDF if your process requires it. Keeping invoice terms and branding templates consistent here will save time across clients. Next, move over to Purchases to monitor money going out. This section centralizes bills from suppliers so you can keep an eye on approvals, due dates, and cash flow timing. It's helpful to align coding and tax treatment here with what you used on sales so your profit and loss stays clean. For out-of-pocket and employee spend, open Expenses. This module is designed for reimbursements and card expenses. Choose New Expense and record the merchant, date, amount, and category. Apply the right tax rate, attach a receipt image, and use notes to capture context for reviewers. Submit or approve based on your role and the client's workflow. Consistent coding at this stage reduces rework during month end. Now head to Reporting and open the profit and loss. Pick the reporting period and choose cash or accrual to match your reporting policy. You can add comparative periods and filter by tracking categories to analyze performance by team or project. Drill into any balance to see the underlying transactions and correct coding right from the detail if needed. A quick scan for unusual variances and uncoded items here will tighten your final numbers. Finally, use the app icon to integrate tools that enhance your process. Connect apps for expense capture, payment collection, time tracking, or advanced analytics. Confirm permissions, review data mapping, and test with a small sample before rolling out widely to clients. With these steps, you'll streamline billing, control spend, and report with confidence in Xero.